Hey, in order to manage your security program effectively, you first need to master various processes and systems and various security principles. But mastering only those will help you to become an effective manager? Or is there anything else that you need to work in order to run your security program effectively? Hey everyone, I'm Shiva RP. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the importance of stakeholder management and who are the important stakeholders that you need to identify and manage them proactively so that you will be able to do your job better and do your job easily. As a security professional, it is not just your security subject matter expertise alone will help you to deliver effective security operations. So you must know how to manage various stakeholders well so that you'll be able to do your job better. So the reason behind is that when you are competing for budget and various resources, there are various other departments which are competing for that. And generally, the management doesn't see security as a profit center, so you got to make them convinced that you are actually adding value to the business. So, in that context, and also you are expected to do various complex things with less resources. So, you should know where to utilize the resources that are already available within your organizations and already available externally as part of your industry so that you will be able to do your job better. Proactively identifying important stakeholders and managing them well will make your job easier and will make it comfortable for you. In the security management, you find generally there are two broad categories of stakeholders that you need to manage. The first category is internal stakeholders. The internal stakeholders can be your own boss or your staff or the management or facility management team or human resource management team or legal team, or depending on your industry, it could be a process team, or it could be like a formal or informal employee groups. You first need to identify who are all your internal stakeholders and you have to proactively manage them for getting the job done and for getting them buy into your security mission. If you manage your internal stakeholder well, that alone is not going to suffice. The second category is external stakeholders. As a security professional, you know that your job doesn't end at your organization level. Many times you have to coordinate with various external stakeholders. It could be the law enforcement agencies or security professionals like you who are working in other organizations or within your security industry through various professional organizations where already a lot of resources and knowledge is available so that you will be able to use their knowledge and expertise to do your job better. Sometimes it could be with various emergency services like fire and medical services. Or sometimes it could be with your community by outreaching those people and serving the community better. So, in order to make your job better, in addition to your subject matter expertise, you must know who are the important stakeholders that you need to manage. So, proactively identify these people and manage them well. You will realize how comfortable and easy your job will become. But many security professionals, with their narrow thinking, limited to only their organizations, and when actual incidents occurs, they started reaching out. But unless you have a proactive relationships, everyone is busy in their own thing. So, proactively identify who are the important stakeholders and start building relationships with them and make sure that relationship is mutual and beneficial for the both parties. Thanks for watching. Hope the information in this video is useful. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to Security FII, subscribe now so that you will be able to learn more concepts in security and risk management. This is Shiva RP signing off until we meet again.